So Phil, Rachel, energy management is a really important part, I believe, of the whole building automation, all that. Absolutely. And you guys offer services specific to that aspect of it?
Absolutely. Yeah, whether
tell us about it.
Just even metering the energy in your building and then displaying that for you in a real granular fashion. You know, a lot of people go, well, I already have an energy meter. I have an electric meter from the utility.
Yeah.
Well, that really only gives you a 1 month snapshot in time. It's not telling you when you're using energy or how you're using it, right? Are you using it in the middle of the night when there's nobody there? You have an unoccupied building, you know, so everybody goes home, but your utility costs are still going up in the middle of the night, you know? So we can try to help discover or uncover those anomalies and try to help you rein that in.
Can you meter any way I need you to? Like, hey, I want to find out. Okay.
Absolutely customize, right?
Yeah,
so we would design a meter or pick a metering product device.
Yeah.
That would be the right application for your utility set, and then we would create a dashboard or software to display that, right? To show you that information.
That's nice. So metering and just keeping an eye on when my energy is going out. Are there other types of services around the energy?
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that when you get a utility bill in the commercial world, it's different than like at home. So because you pay demand charges, which is kind of like a penalty for using electric. During
there's certain times.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Yeah.
So think, it's middle of July.
Yeah.
Everybody's AC is cranking, and yours is kind of taxing the grid, right? So they penalize you, and it's based on most utilities do it based on like a snapshot in time, and then you pay for that snapshot.
Wow.
Regardless, right? Moving forward. So we can actually implement like a load shed or a demand response program that would actually turn off some of your heating and cooling arbitrarily change your like cooling set points. Maybe just turn them up a little bit. So go from say 72 to 73 or 72 to 74, just a little bit. Most times people wouldn't even notice that we've done that, but that right there might be enough to shed the load and avoid or mitigate demand penalty.
That's interesting. That's an aspect of there I never heard that you get penalized for using the product. Huh? That's great. Woohoo!
Yeah. Utility companies really.
I want to start a business like that. Right. Hey, thanks for using me. Hey, I got to give you a penalty.
You've been using so much of our product. We're gonna hit you with an extra. So,
is there any other services regarding the energy management? Any other types of problems? I guess maybe you tack.
Yeah, we can create intelligent schedules and occupancy-based schedules. So, we can actually tell when people are coming and going, or we can do like what we call like intelligent shutdown or intelligent recovery. So basically, if you wanted your building to be occupied at 8 a.m., let's say your business starts up, you have people showing up at your facility right around 8 o'clock in the morning, right? Our system would track how long it would take to get from the nighttime temperature to the desired daytime temperature, right? And it would intelligently adjust.
They say it's tracking it. So in other words, if it's October, it's going from October to November, and it's getting colder at night, so it's probably going to take a little bit longer.
A little bit more time.
It's figuring that out. It's anticipating. That's
Correct.
Really neat.
Yep, and
that's
anticipates
really neat,
the need for that demand to come on, that cooling or heating to come on at a particular time in the morning.
Okay, wait, there's a problem. Can you solve this? That person who's got the office is always complaining it's too cold no matter what everybody else does. How do you solve that problem? I want to hear that.
I give him a CCO pull.
Yeah, right.
I give him a CCO
That's
pull.
great.
I tell him to wear if cold.
Yeah. All right,
we do try to.
We keep hoodies on our.
Yeah, there you go. I like it. See,
hoodies are free with every purchase.
Whatever it takes to solve the problem, these guys are thinking about it. You know about that too.
I know. The more directly, it's
hardware, software, and hoodies. These guys know all the right products.
That's right. That's a hard one, because everybody's got different comfort levels.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And mechanical systems are tricky. There's a lot of things at play there, right?
Yeah.
So we do everything we can. And then what we do is during our installation process, we'll kind of vet the actual mechanical system, the HVAC equipment that's running behind our controls.
Yeah.
And we'll kind of tell the owner that, hey, we think these things are deficient. And it might have an issue with airflow or cooling capacity or equipment status.
Okay.
That way they can make some intelligent decisions of priorities. Hey, really need to get this area comfortable because we're losing productivity.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of
That's
people
great.
I don't think really put enough value in comfort at a business.
You guys are thinking way beyond just the hardware, the software, and all that. That's interesting. I mean, you think about the businesses and how they work and all that. And that's come across in some of the other videos we've done here. And that's really important. So, yeah, energy management. It's not as simple as just click on the lights when you leave and click it on. It's pretty complicated. But there's a lot you guys can do to help in so many different ways. And if that's an area maybe your business could use a little look-see and have a fresh pair of eyes on it, these might be the eyes to do it. It's Phil and Rachel, Control Concepts of Ohio. If you're not already at the website, visit it right now, controlsohio.com.